Hello everyone, it's Sue from Crafts to Enjoy and welcome to my craft room today. Today we have a new feature and I'm uber excited, yay! I'm working on this for some time, so I just want to share something new that I'm going to be doing, a new feature called Fast to Fabulous. So I'm Sue from Crafts to Enjoy and welcome to my craft room today, and I'm a UK-based independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you for joining me for today's video for the new feature Fast to Fabulous and lots of Mrs H's hints and tips. That's me. So I'm looking forward to sharing lots of things with you. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get going. So today I'm using the Floral Essence stamp set. I've done this type of card before. I've done quite a few, just grabbing one out to here. This sort of the couple of sizes of card that I use quite a lot, so I thought I'd do something similar. I wanted to show you how to take it from fast to fabulous. So that's one of my many ideas. So let's get cracking. And I'm going to start by doing the fast card. So I'm just going to grab a piece of old scrap paper to put underneath me, so it's better to stamp on. I'm going to use Rich Razzleberry because this is one of my absolute favourite colours. And I'm going to start by using this stamp set has it has a few different flowers with it. And I'm going to start by using this one, that one there. So let's get that inked up. Sorry, I think when I do that it judges you a bit. I've still got the old stamps, the old ink pads in this one, but I just want to put that in the corner as a full strength stamping. I'm going to do, just let the ink transfer for a second, and look at that. I love it. I wanted to also get the old olive, which I haven't grabbed, and do a few flowers possibly, or a bit of green around it. I'm not sure how sort of strong I wanted them to be. That's a bit too strong. So I'm going to do second generation sort of stamping here, but I only want the leaves. Whoops. Oopsie. I'm going to have to do that like so, so I get a bit of something in that corner as well. Do you see what I did then? So I've done a couple of little bits, but I only want to, it's teeny bits. I'm not really worried if that goes off or onto my flower. And there we go. I'm just going to stamp off and do a bit more. So it looks a bit different. So it looks like it's sort of kind of in like a bouquet almost, or it's been in the field where it gets picked or where it's grown. So while I'm here, I wanted to also use the with friendly thoughts and best wishes today and every day. I like that. I like that little saying. I wanted to use the same colour, the same Rich Razzleberry, and I want to put that top right hand corner. That's pretty good. So how long did that take? Not very long at all. Move my scrap piece of paper out of the way. So this is quite quick. These are quite easy. You could cut these up and do a whole load of those. That hasn't taken me, what, less than a couple of minutes. You know, that's really quick and easy. So I could put that on that. That's my fast card. So that's really quick, really easy. I'm going to put that together so we can do it. But they've got so many options with these type of cards. They're just really quick. They're really easy. And, you know, really, anyone could be making these. You know, you can make these with children. You could do lots of different ideas. I haven't used lots and lots of products to, you know, you think, oh, I've got this, I haven't got that. You know, this Floral Essence stamp set is being carried over to the new catalogue, and I just really like it. I've only just realised it's actually got like a stem with it. So when I was looking at the stamp set, I thought, oh, I could do another one, and I will. I'll do another video with it with sort of like one sort of flower or something really simple. So, you know, I will do that in the future video. So I'm looking at it. I get so much inspiration from just looking at it. And I think, oh, or I'll stamp it out, or I might get a bit of scrap paper and just sort of think, oh, what does that look like? Or how does that go? Or, you know, or when I colour in, I've done one video where I colour this in. It's just great. This Floral Essence currently has a punch that coordinates with it. You've seen me use that type of thing quite a lot. So, again, we could do that. So, with my next one, my Fabulous, I want to see if I could create a background with using the stain. I'm going to just get my bone folder and get that ready. I'll get my scrap paper in because I find it annoying. And I wanted to just get my green. Let's turn that around so I can see which colour it is. They look very similar, these stamp ink pads from there, but obviously I need to have the things facing you. Otherwise it's really easy to get them confused. I know we don't want a bit of that, we don't want any of that. So what I want to do is create a background now. I don't want it in full strength ink. I want it in a bit of a mix. So I want to create like a two-tone sort of thing going on. So I'm probably gonna just have them a bit apart like that. But I don't want them going the same way, so I can just eye up what's going to go where, and so I can think where I want my flowers to be. Got so many options here with the Fabulouses. Oh, I'm excited. But again, this isn't very, you know, this is real quick and easy. When I was sort of thinking about this, I thought sometimes people want to spend a long time on a card, and sometimes you just don't have the time to do it. Oops, I think I've gone off a bit there, but I quite like it. And there you go, it's gone over that corner a bit more. There you go, that's a bit of a background. And it is quite busy. It is quite busy. I'm going to put a bit of the green on there. So I'm going to try and echo what I've already done a bit. So I'm infilling some of the colour, and I'm also putting sort of like a, almost like a, just trying to fill in. If I want a bit of green, a bit of sort of foliage, I'm not too worried if it, you know, it goes off, or I just think it looks really cute. What do you think? I'm just going to go all the way around, and some spaces are going to have not much green, some are going to have more green, and it just creates the background. And if I don't want it so strong, again, I can go over it a bit. I've done that type of thing quite a lot. I've gone over it a couple of times, like so. How does that look? And again, I could attach my same piece. I've just made a background, really quick, really easy. I could put it there, I could put it here. There's so many things I could do. Oh, I'm excited. Let's do another one. Like this one, I'm going to use the smaller one. And I'm going to do exactly the same. In the set, I thought there comes a smaller one, and I thought, oh, what does that look like? So, you know, and I thought about doing 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. There we go. So then I'm going to get my same old olive, and I just want a few different leaves in that there, not too many. Oh, I like it. So, oh, I must forget my sentiment at the top right, my sentiment. I'm going to pop that on there. How cool is that? So, oh, I've got a whoopsie. I am going to come up with a whole series of. That's so strange. I've got ink on me somehow. Oh, I see. I over inked my. That's come because I've over inked my leaf. I got too carried away. I was like, oh, just going in there, and I've got a whoopsie. I'm calling these a whoopsie. So, if it happens to you, you've only got a few places to it's in. You know, I'm going to double check my hands are clean on my trousers a bit. You have a few options here. Part of me is glad this has happened, but part of me isn't. Because you're like, oh dear. But you could. There's lots of things that you can do. I could turn it over and do it again. Let's be honest. There's another side there, but I just think, oh, well, it's happened now. What else can I do? So I could put some bling over it. I'm just turning round to my pearls here. I'm sure I have some here. I see pink ones in there. Well, there we do. Okay, let's give them a go. So I could put some bling over it, a couple of blingy bits. Or I could use some pearls over it, and that would look quite nice as well. So let's put some pearls over. I'm going to get my pickup tool, and I'm going to pop some pearls on. I think these are retired ones, but obviously they do other pearls. That's all I've got to hand at the moment. But obviously I'm just going to put a couple of pearls on there. And can I hide my little whoopsie? I think I can. Whoops. One, you know, how bad is it going to look? Is it going to look out of place? There you go, 3 in that corner. I'm going to put a couple up here as well, just to show you what you can do. I am going to do, like I said, a whole series of whoopsies. That's so strange. I know. And I don't make mistakes all the time, but sometimes we do. Sometimes they're just those things that happen out there, and if you're new to crafting or haven't done it before, and you may be really disappointed by the whoopsies, and you think, oh, I've got 6 on there, I need 7, so let's put another one on there. So let's put one more. I should pop that about there, I think. What do we think? Let me just put that. Things happen for a reason. I'm a great believer of that. Put a bit of glue on there so we can pop that on its background. I was also thinking when I was doing this, I got inspiration from my scraps. In my bag here, I keep my colours. I'm almost out of rich raspberry. You can see I use it a lot. Let me just close those because I'm going to get in a mess. And I was also thinking that we may use some. This is my scrap. This is literally how much I have left of rich raspberry. My order is on its way to me. But I was thinking, could I use a scrap on this? Let's turn that over and show you what I mean. Oh, that isn't ink tray. Oh, I get ink everywhere today. So could I do something like this? That's also another way to use up. I don't know what I've done there. I've got some ink somewhere. But yes, is that something I could do? Looks quite nice. Another option. I could also get my punches and cut out, raise this up, and I could also put some leaves coming out of it underneath a corner or something. That may be really cool as well. So you've got so many options with these type of cards. I'm just going to keep mine to my my one there, and I've got to send this to the post, so I'm going to keep it quite flat. But I love it. These are just so easy, so quick, and it's a bit busier, but I quite like it. What do you think about that? So that's which one do you prefer? Do you have one you prefer? Oh, do you have one you prefer? Which one, what you think, oh, actually quite like that one. My cat's been on my table, so yeah. But I like them. I really, they're just as they are. You might like the simplicity of something, or you might like something a bit busier. I like them. Well, please do let me know what you think about this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my video, so I'm going to have to make lots more videos for you. And I hope this has helped you to see what you can do from fast to fabulous. They're my 2 fast and fabulous cards today for a Friday new feature. I'm hoping to do a lot more of these videos, so please let me know what you think. You prefer the fast or the fabulous? And don't forget to subscribe to my videos so you don't miss out any of my future videos that I post for you. Thank you very much for watching today. And don't forget, you can go to my website if you'd like to buy any of the products that I've used today. You can go straight over there and put them in your basket. Stampin' Up are still delivering to the UK, and I think it's taken a couple of days longer. It's not too bad at the moment, but the parcels are getting through. So we're really lucky, because I know lots of craft shops are closed at the moment. So I hope everyone keeps safe and well out there, and please don't forget to watch my future videos. Thank you very much for watching today. Thank you for joining me. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Keep safe and well. Bye-bye.